Yeah. Try reduce dim effects or turn off the power saving mode. Okay. All right. Well. Sesingenile-ke njengamanje isigalelekile bese ngo-changes Akasha. Sigalelekile-ke ziwu-20 zika-September April 2025 ku-Sunday. Sigalelekile sifikile-ke njengamanje sizofundisa. We are here to teach, we are here to empower, we are here to give knowledge. We are here to elevate the level of consciousness of people. Yeah. We are here to empower. Kunjalo-ke nganza wethu ngalesi sikhathi siyanibingelela nje. Sibingelele na YouTube, sibingelele kuwona wonke ama-platforms la abantu abazosibamba khona. I-Human Design Sunday-ke namhlanje. Njengoba sazi sonke ukuthi-ke kuba i-Human Design Sunday namhlanje. Ngixolise nje ukuba late ngalesi sikhathi. But-ke nevertheless ngiyazi ukuthi-ke bayazi abantu basazongena. There are people-ke abafundayo kulento ye-human design. Some of them bafuna ukwazi more about themselves. Some of them bafuna ukwazi ukuze nabo benze abanye bazi. So bafuna ukwazi nje for different reasons. But kukonke nje it's for the purpose of empowering humanity, for us to elevate together, sinyuke nje sonke ndawonye. Weli-ke namhlanje sizokhuluma ngento ethinta ama-circuits connection. Sokhuluma ngento ethinta ama-circuits connection. So I'm hoping and praying ukuthi i-network isihloniphe. Futhi ngizocela ukuthi uma ngabe ukuthi uzwa ama-glitches there and there e-network, don't hesitate to speak that one out so that I'll be able to try other alternatives that may provide me with a stronger network signals. So ungahesitate nje ulinde ukuthi-ke mhlambe kuze kusha abanye wena ungasho. So uma nje ubona ukuthi no akufundeki ngenxa ukuthi-ke uyakhatha uthisha, kuba kuhle ukuthi wenze njani-ke ukuveze lokho ukuze sibone mhlambe kungabe yami network, mhlambe kungabe yakho. But-ke uma ngabe ungakuvuyisi we'll never know ukuthi ikabani network eneyinkinga. Yeah, so injalo-ke indaba. Angazi noma ngingavumeleka yini la kuleli ukungana yami ukuthi ngizame ukuthinta u-WhatsApp lapha ngishare this live to WhatsApp status so that other people from WhatsApp they may be able to see ukuthi right now someone is live on TikTok. Yeah. Ikanjalo-ke. So don't hesitate to call me out if ubona lawa ama-glitches esike saba nawo izolo. Izolo-ke we were live and then we came across ama-glitches e-network signal. Yabona? Yeah. So-ke good people-ke sizofunda-ke impela namhlanje. We are going to learn today. Kusuke kuyi-class nje. Sunday kusuke kuyi-class kahle. I-class nje ngqo. Yabona? Wena nje umwazi isikole. Kusuke kuyi-class nje ngoba kuyaye kudingeke nanokuthi uma ngabe unayo into yokubhala la ungabhalela khona, ubhala ama-notes athile. Yabona? Ngoba la usukufunda nje ngento ephathelene ne-energy nokuflowa kwayo energy kumuntu. Yabona? uzoshayelana i-comprehensive study, awunayo i-major, awumejile. So uzofunda ngalo lonke uhlobo lomuntu la. Uyabona ngendlela wena ozazi ngayo nendlela wena ozizwa ngayo, okwazi ukuthi indlela ozizwa ngayo wena leyo based on you. Abanye abazizwa ngaleyo ndlela, yabo, nabo based on their energetic configuration, yabo. Mina mangirida ama charts ngiyaye ngiyibuza ukuthi kazi kunjani ukuba uwe ube naleli hlobo lwe-energy, yabo. Khona umuntu ongazi, njengoba mina ngino channel of charisma nje kwi-chat lami, khona umuntu ongazi ukuthi yini ukuba busy, ugcina usubhizi nanento ongayazi ubhizi nani, yabo. Komuntu ongakwazi lokuthi how it feels like to be always thinking and always be busy, always doing something, always busy. Khona umuntu ongazi ukuthi how it feels like, yabo. Akakwazi lokho, but can only imagine ukuthi kunjani. Ngeke aze akwazi ukuthi kunjani. Engakumagina nje ukuthi kunjani ukuzizwa uhlezi ubhizi, ngoba ufike ucabange bese uzwa ngazi ukuthi khona into ongayenza nje manje, engathi khona into ongayenza nje manje, engathi khona into ongayenza nje manje, yabo. So nami ke ngiyaye ngibe fascinated ke ngamanye ama-charts abanye abantu ukuthi lo muntu unale energy le, kazi kunjani ke, yabo, ukuba kanje, ngoba ama-energies ethu awafani, yabo, awafani nhlobo. That is why uthola ukuthi khona omunye umuntu ophiwe nje ukuhandlisha lento ekuthiwa ama-friction, yabo. Uyakwazi ukuhandlisha i-friction, uyakwazi, une-talent lokuba diplomatic, une-emotional intelligence yokwazi uku-engage nabantu, yabo. Uyazi ukuthi ku-engage kanjani nabantu, uyazi ukuthi umuntu kuxoxa kanjani naye, akabasaba abantu, ngisho kuthiwa akakwazi, uyazi ukuthi how to engage with you, how to be diplomatic nawe, ukuze to the extent yokuthi angakucasula, angakudini, yabo. Isiphiwo, i-energy azalwe nayo leyo, ongeke uze uyithathe. Now uthola ukuthi awunayo wena, instead maybe you are afraid of engaging with people, we are afraid of having a conversation or a dialogue or an emotional emotional lokungani engagement nomuntu. Kodwa uthola ukuthi khona umuntu ongayisabi leyo nto, i-energy yakhe azalwe nayo ngokwe-configuration ye-chart lakhe. So ke abantu ke good people njengoba bekhona nje, ngake ngikushayela i-recap encane. Sifundile ukuthi abantu bahlukene ngokwama-types awu-4 njengoba bekhona abantu. Sathi yini? I-generator, i-manifestor, i-projector, i-reflector. Lokho sikufundile lokho kwi-previous lesson, angithi sathi abantu bahlukene ngawu-4, sabachaza futhi labantu. Uma ngabe kuwukuthi wawungekho awungekho ngichaza ama-types of ama-energy types, ungahamba uye ku-YouTube, Changes Akasha on YouTube, uzofika uyithole i-lesson echazayo ngokuthi sinalolu hlobo oluthiwa ama-generator, ama-projector, ama-reflector, ama-manifestor. Ungaya ku-YouTube uzokufica lokho. Namhlanje ke we are not talking about ama-types. Namhlanje sikhuluma ngani? Sikhuluma ngalento ebizwa ngokuthini, ama-circuitry connection. Ngoba njengoba abantu bekhona nje, i-circuit connection yabo ayifani. Ama-circuit connection ke e-energy kumuntu, ukhumbule ukuthi lo moya othi wena umoya ongcwele, lo wena othi uwena ngokamoya lana uflowa njengogesi wena, njengoba usukubona nje yonke electrical device ikuflowa khona ugesi, nakuwena ke le consciousness iflowa kanjalo nakuwena. So ke siyakwazi ukuyipha amagama, yabo, ukuthi lokhu kusho ukuthini, lokhu kusho ukuthini. So ke ngokuflowa kwe-consciousness noma kwe-energy kuwena kuhlukana igaba eziwu-3. Kune group ye connection esibiza ngokuthi individual connection. Individual connection labo noma lo circuitry connection idila nani ne-empowerment. It empowers people. Idila nani ne-empowerment okuwukuthi idila ne-mutation, changing the world, changing the humanity, changing our genetic, not even our genetic makeup, our DNA configuration, yabo, noma structure. Ngoba khumbula ukuthi i-humanity kade yaba khona kodwa iya-evolve. Ukhumbula ukuthi ngokufika kwento entsha ama-genes ethu aya-adapta kuleyo into leyo going forward, bese sithola ispecies esizayo kube lula ukwenza leyo nto ngoba vele into ebikade vele yenziwe, yabo. Njengokuthi nje ama-species ezayo awasezukuba nenkinga yamafoni, yabo. Mhlambe futhi ngokwe-genetic makeup yethu singagcina kushintsha emehlweni ethu, mhlawumbe sigcine sibe abantu abanamehlo amakhulu, noma sigcine sibe abantu abanesifumbu la ngemuva ngeke sihlezi sigobile. Esikhathini esizayo uthi i-humanity sishintshile to that extent. Ngobani? Activate ama-genes azokwazi ukumelana nalolo hlobo le-environment eselukhona. So abantu ke le connection ekuthiwa i-individual connection le ukuthi i-team yakhona empowerment yenza lowo msebenzi wokusimutator, coming with new things, totally new things, or changing things that are existing, but they are capable ukuthi basifikele nezinto ezintsha so that humanity izo-evolve, ishintshe, i-adapt to another way of doing things, yabo. So yini leyo ke i-individual circuit. That is why kade ngenza ini video la ngike ngayifaka before ngize la ngathi lolo hlobo labantu alithandathandeki, yabo. Ngobani? Luza ne-mutation, liza noshintsho, luza nezinto ezintsha, and ushintsho ingqondo ayilithandi, yabo. But unfortunately kwi-universe kumele kuhlezi izinto zi-evolve ziya phambili. Sibe nenye i-circuitry connection ebizwa ngokuthi ilokhu ngani i-collective. I-collective ke yona i-theme yakhona ithini? Ithi sharing. This one is for sharing the experiences with the collective. Ukuthi nakho la ngadlula khona mina, nakho la ngadlula khona mina, yabo, ukuze nomunye umuntu aqaphele abe aware. So ke as for le secretary group connection ekuthiwa ekwi group ekuthiwa i-collective is based on in sharing with the collective, sharing with the people, yabo. Because ekugcineni uma ngabe into isifikile into entsha iqhamuka nale group ekuthiwa individual group, laba bazoyithatha laba be-sharing ekuthiwa bayini abakwi collective secretary, mele beyithathe lento beyishare nani ne-collective lento beyi-accept beyishare ne-collective lento, yabo. Mele ihamba kanjalo-ke lento ekuthiwa i-collective consciousness, ukuthi into ngizofike ngiyithole mina bese iyasherwa leyo nto, ishare amongst people. Si-evolve kanjalo. Angithi khona abantu abafike bebone into mhlawumbe boganisa kwenye indawo, bafike bebona hawu lana esizoganisa khona kunento enje eyenziwayo, kushawa indishi, kuvele nje kuthiwa nje ngicela ukuthi ngale mali kwenze ukuthi, ngale mali ngicela kwenze ukuthi, okay. Bafike beyikopele leyo nto bayithathe. Njengamanje sebeyishare ke manje sebeyoyishare nabanye, ibhebhetheka kanjalo-ke into, yabo. Nalana ke kwi-humanity makumele i-evolve into ke ibhebhetheka kanjalo-ke ukuthi izoqhamuka ne-individual group iqhamuka nalento uma ke ya-acceptwa yini ile group ekuthiwa collective group iyayishare lento, yabo. Bese kuba khona enye igroup futhi ye-secretary connection ebizwa ngokuthi ilokhu ngani i-tribal, yabo. Leyabizwa kuthiwa i-tribe. i-tribal ilokhu ngani team yakhona ke usupport kwi-tribe usupport. It's all about making babies, making new species, reproduction, creating your genes, about reproducing your genes, in fact, reproducing your genes, and also taking care of you, the offsprings, about acquiring the material success to take care of your offspring and all those things. It's all about that kwi-tribal. It's all about ukuzala, uthathe care of iy'ngane lezoyizele, uphinde wenze njani, usebenze, wakhe umnotho, usupport. It's all about team yakhona, it's all about usupport. That is another group-ke ekuthiwa u-tribal group, circuitry connection. So-ke umuntu angaba kwi-chat lakhe, engaba ne-channel mhlampe amabili noma amathathu, eyodwa noma amabili noma amathathu, individual, abe ne-channel ye-collective, abe ne-channel yelokhungane, ye-tribal. Kwi-chat lakhe nje engaba nawo lamalokhungane womathathu, noma abe neyodwa, noma abe namabili, noma engabi nayo at all. Kuya ngokuthi i-connection ithini. Ngoba nje basidaliwe nje emhlabeni sonke asifani inhlobo sidalo. Asifani inhlobo. And human design ikuveza ngokusobala lokhu ukungafani kwethu. Mase sithatha i-chart salibeka la, siyabona ukuthi kungani wena ungeke ukwazi ukwenza lento eyenziwayo lo. Siyakwazi ukubona lokho. Kungani wena ihlule lento. Ingoba ngeke uzokwazi ukuyenza vela ngoba ayikho kuwena, is not part of your circuitry connection. Alright. So don't beat yourself up. Khona umuntu nje kuvele kuthiwa wena uhlulwa yini wena ukukhuluma kanje njengalo. Kanti no, is not part of who I am. Ungazama nje kodwa ngeke kuze kwenzeke. Okay, namhlanje ke sizokhuluma ngale group ekuthiwa i-connection ekuthiwa i-individual circuit. Namhlanje sizokhuluma ngani? Nge-individual circuit. Siyafunda ke la. Uma uthanda nje ungathatha nepeni nephepha uyafunda la basically. Kuthiwa knowledge is power nje, kuthiwa education is key. Akulona lokho uhlobo lwe-education ewukhiye. Uhlobo oluthile ngoba banikwa abantu education, banikezwe education ebenza babe ama-slaves, yabo. So akuyona yonke education ekuthiwa ukhiye. Lana ke sithi know thyself shall know everything. Ngithembe ukuthi sisezwana na kwi-network signal yonke into isahamba kahle. Njengoba ngingakaboni umuntu uthi nginenkinga ye-network and all those things. I still strongly believe ukuthi yonke into isenza njani, isahamba kakuhle, ngisezwakala loud and clearly, right? So ke guys, njengoba nibona lapha phezulu ngibhalile ukuthi individual circuits. Kwi-individual circuit ke nakhona thank you. Okay, ke ngiyabonga nakwethu Electra, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Njengoba ke nibona la nganza kwethu kulezi zinto engiyibalile ezu3 engithe individual circuit connection, ubani collective circuit connection, ngase ngathi tribal circuit connection. Ngathi namhlanje sikhuluma ngo-individual circuit connection. Nawo ku-individual circuit connection uhlukene kabili nawo. Kuba khona u-knowing bese kuba khona ubani, kube khona u-centering. Namhlanje sizogxila kubani, ku-circuitry connection ekuthiwa ubani, u-knowing circuit. Yes, ama-circuits esizokhuluma ngawo nje they are based on knowing, but u-individual circuit nje uthini? Uthi we are empowering. It's all about empowerment. Okay, ayidumeke manje, but nazi izinto engifuna ukuthi uzicaphele ngalama channel lawa angaphansi kwe-individual circuit. Lama channels lawa enza ukuthi ungabi umuntu othanda ukuba seningini, yabo. Uba umuntu othanda ukuthi abe yedwa, futhi ube umuntu o-intuitive. Kube khona izinto engazi zikhuluma endlebeni zakho kwesinye isikhathi noma zingakhulumanga kodwa nje uvele wazi nje uba nekule audience ephezulu, futhi uzwa kakhulu wena, uzwa ngisho izinto ezingazwiwa ngendlebe. bese uzithola wazi nje ungazi ukuthi wazi kanjani, yabo. So uconnecta kanjalo kwi-universe wena uma unale circuit connection nje, you just know but you don't know how you know, and your clear audience, your extra sensory perception yokuzwa izwa kakhulu. So awubi-ke isikhathi esiningi part of i-group. Isikhathi esiningi uthola uba wedwa, yabo, uba wedwa and uthola ngathi uyasidelineka. I-connection yalama circuits lawa-ke individual ayenza kube njalo, kuba ngathi uthi awuyena umuntu wabantu othanda uba seningini, yabo. Okunye futhi uthola ukuthi noma ukhona eningini, you are not i-favorite because wena ufika nezinto that are shaking they are making other people look uncomfortable because we are challenging their knowledge, yabo. We are challenging the status quo. So now iyona lento enza ukuthi ugcina ungabi yini i-favorite mangabe uphakathi kwabantu, ngithi yabo, because wazi izinto wena ngendlela ejulile futhi unama individual insights angakaziwa, yabo. So you are changing things and people don't like change. So that is why ke umuntu oyi-individual circuit ethanda nokuyihlalela yedwa, kuba ngazi ukuthi uyasidelineka, akayona i-part of what of the group. So ayesingene kuma-channels ke. Masingena kuma-channels ke sithola la ukuthi one kune-channel ebizwa ukuthi i-channel nakho nje ngizodweba futhi khona la ezansi. Ngizodweba nje futhi khona la ezansi, yabo. Ngizodweba nje futhi khona la. Ngithi manje ngiyafundisa. La uyabona la ezansi la. Uthi ngizokwazi nokubamba kahle lento yami. Khona ngizokwazi ukudwebela lento engikhomisa yona. Yabona la. La ezansi kusuka la uza la. Angenze ukhala onje. Angenze ukhala onjani? Ukhala ohlukile. Muphi ukhala ohlukile esingawenza la? Let me pick up blue. Can I move this thing? Ngizobe ngiyibone because so far ngisachaza la. Yabona mosuka la ezansi la. Uza la. Angithi yabona ukuthi kune channel lapho. Le channel le oyibonayo. Ngifuna umthetho wami bengifuna ukuzuma but buka ngathi akuzumeki. Nako. Yabo? Nasi le channel le. Ubani? U60 no 3. This is the channel I'm talking about. U60 no 3. Yabo? Le channel esukaphi? Esuka la ezansi iza la, yabo. Kwi-sacral. Yini igama la le channel le? Igama la le channel lena ibizwa ngokuthi i-mutation. It's the channel of mutation. Yabo? This is the channel of mutation, meaning it is having the mutative potential. So this channel is the channel that bring its transformation, genetic mutation, it turn on and off irregular. So this channel iyona le yenza ukuthi abantu befuna ukushintsha, ukuqhamuka noshintsho, new things, new stuffs all together, yabo. So be impact abantu with new stuffs, be impact abantu with new things. So le channel yenza ukuthi abantu abanayo, umuntu azizwe efuna uku-impact abantu, yabona nje me impact abantu uzizwa emnandi kakhulu. Kodwa manje le inkinga ukuthi ngawo wonke ama-channels lawa e-individual circuits, lama channels eza ne-melancholy. I-melancholy ke ila khona uzizwa sengazi ukuthi impilo yakho imile, sengazi ukuthi nothing is happening, everything is stuck, yabo. Lama channels nje lawa e-individual channels wonke eza nento ekuthiwa i-melancholy. I-melancholy ke iyona ke chemical leyo, yellowish chemical ereleasekayo nje bese wena uzifila sengazuthi you are stuck in life. Nothing is happening, there's no woo or whatever happening, we just stuck. So iyayifikela ke leyo nto iphinde izihambele futhi uphinde uzizwe sengazuthi we are mutating, we are bringing change, we are impacting the lives of people. Uphinde uzwe nje ukuthi no, I'm on it right now. So ama-channels ke lawa individual wonke ke anjalo nje. So ke ne-63 leya mutation nayo ke is not an exception. So ke i-channel leyana enza ukuthi uwenze njani, ubringe i-change, not even i-change, coming up with new things in this world, in this lifetime, yabo. So uzwa leyo pressure nje, angisho khumbula ukuthi i-root center le sathi center yani le sathi i-center ye-pressure to do. So i-root ihlangene ne-sacral, yabo, a very immense energy to mutate, to change things, to shape things around. So that is why ke abantu abanaleya channel leyana athi ngibo lo yangathi ngabhala ngalo, it feels, oh no, this one is not feeling, yeah, ayengidlulele kwenye ilokhu unganaki phambili, ngihlabele phambili. Enye i-channel esiyitholayo futhi lapha ya ku-individual circuit ile channel ephakathi nendawo. Ngisakhuluma nje ngalama channel lawa aphakathi nendawo, yabo, le exhumanisa i-sacral. Wenze njani manje? Ngithi ngikuxoshile wena, ngithi exhumanisa i-sacral, exhumanisa nani ne-G center. Asiphinde sibukeke, i-sacral is for what? It's for life force. Angithi sacral is for what? It's for life force. Angithi life force energy. Leyo uthi uchi, uprana, lo wakha ngawo ingane, ne? Yabo? Bese kuthi i-G center eyani yona? It's for ini? I-direction, angithi. It's for i-direction and what? And identity. So manje mayihlangene lezi zinto lezi sithola i-channel esibizwa ukuthini? Sibizwa ukuthini leya channel? Nakya 14.2 nansi, yayibona? 14.2 ibizwa ukuthini? Yini igama layo le channel le? Ibizwa ukuthini? The Beats. Before ngichazele ukuthi isho ukuthini, let me check something here. Lunchbox T, greetings sir. Greetings Lunchbox, greetings. Ngiyakubingelela nganya kwethu, ngiyakwemukela ngalesi sikhathi. Yo advisable ukuthi ube nento yokubhala uma kuwukuthi awunayo nje manje, but ke it anyway vele lo live uzo upload ngithi la ku YouTube ayikho inkingi. But ke okumnandi ukuthi mawukhona la manje ukwazi ukushutha manje, makune question ofuna ukuyibuza uyibuza khona la khona manje, uyisashisa nje indaba, engage nami in a real time, yabo. So le channel le engithe ubani u14.2 le esuka la iza la ixhumanisa life force nani ne-identity and direction. So kusho isho ukuthini ke, ngoba igama la lithini, lithi The Beats. Kusho ukuthi lana wena you get i-direction using your bani, you use your power to the right direction, yabo, being receptive and follow the what, the beat. You are marching to your own beat la. Shoot when you are using what, your power. And you see, this is the gate of power. This is the center of power. You are using your power. Ngobu gate 14 phela igama lakhona power skills. So you are using your power to do things that you are passionate about. That is when you get what, direction and what, and identity. When you don't do things for the sake of money, you don't do things for the sake of doing them, but you do things because they align with who you are and you are passionate about those things. So you are contributing with your power by doing something that you love, and that is when you get what, the direction in life, by doing what you love, what you are passionate of, contributing with your skills to a greater good of the humanity. That is when you are led to the correct direction. That is when you get the sense of direction and the identity. This is who I am. Angicompromise. I cannot do this just because kunemali. I cannot do this just because ngenza ngibuke njengomuntu. I can only do things that I am passionate about and I am contributing to the humanity. So that's the beat. You are marching to your own beat. So lo muntu umuntu ongathi ngingayenza lento as long as yabo I can do this. Ngisho kuthiwa ayingikhokheli lento, ngizoyenza ngoba ngiyayithanda. Iyona into engenza ngizibone ukuthi ngubani. Iyona into inline nomuntu enguyena. Iyona into le engenza ngizizwe ngine direction empilweni manje ngiyenza. Yabo? For an example, nangu Changes. Changes is teaching. Changes is doing all these things that he is doing. Yabo? And out of these things that Changes is doing, uthola a sense of direction goes on. This is what I'm here to do. This is how I feel satisfied doing, using my life force energy doing. Yabo? And this is what gives me in a direction in life. A sense of what? A sense of direction in life. Irregardless ukuthi akukangikhokheli noma akungenzi ngibe istar noma akungenzi ngibe njani ngibe but eventually into emnandi ngale channel ukuthi you do what you love the most. Eventually it brings, if you do what you love the most, you contribute to the humanity. Eventually it will bring the resources that are required for you. Eventually, whether you like it or not, the universe will bring the resources that are required for you to go on helping the humanity, contributing with your powers to the humanity. Ake ngidlulele kwenye-ke futhi sikhumbule ukuthi ilokhu unganala yini ubani empowerment. Ngithi yizo lonto individual nje secret yini empowerment. Angithi ngenzani mina khona manje? I am empowering you. Angithi I am empowering you free of charge. Angithi but look, i-universe into eyenzayo, it provides me with every resource I need to do this every time. So data wise, time wise, yonke ama resources that I need, the universe will provide so that I will do what I am passionate of, that makes me get that sense of what of direction. So I'm just making an example with me. So bakhona abantu abangafakaza ukuthi yazi mina angiyenzi into just because inemali. Akuvumi mina into akuvumi, angizizwa mangenza into ngithi ngiyenzela imali. Sengazi ukuthi thank you so much for the gift. Thank you so much for the gift. We Precious Nasha. Thank you so much for the gift. Bakhona abantu abathi mina ngiyenzi into just because inemali. Mina sengazi ukuthi ngiyenza into ngiyizwa ngaphakathi engiyithanda. Leyo nto ngingayenza ngisho ngingatholi lutho. As long as ngiyithanda nje, that's where I feel the sense of direction in my life. Okay, ngiqhubele phambili ke nganza kwethu. Ngiyabonga nje kakhulu ngani nge-gift yabo. Sibonge nje nganza kwethu esezoza namanye ngithi mina ngihlale phela ngicheck ukuze ngingalokhu nje ayi sengiyawenza njani manje? Ngahambi into zami la guys. Hey, this is very serious. This is very serious. This is very serious. Ngahambi into zami la. Naziya. Sanibona. Sawubona we Chongo. Molo. Mase ngibeke lapha na nganza kwethu ngisuke sengibekile nje ngqo. Yabo? Ngisuke sengibekile nje ngqo. Asiqhubeke asihlabele imgama. Asihlabele imgama. Ningixolele ethi ngifundisa ngetechnology la. So i-technology ifuna ucofe la. Ofe uyazi, uyi-understand. Sidlulela kwini manje? Sidlulela kwi-channel of what? Angithi kade siku the beat. Sawubona we Patience. Molo nganya kwethu. molo ngani yakwethu. Sidlulela kwi-channel elandelayo le esukaphi nansi ya. Yayibona? Ngithi mina ngihamba center ethi 18. Ngithi yayibona leyo channel le. Leyo channel ibizwa ngani igama layo? Inspiration. Channel of Inspiration. Abantu abanale channel ke e-chatting labo. These are the people that are not meant to live as others. These people are not meant to live as others. They are not supposed to be copycats. These people, they find a direction and a sense of identity by being by living ngendlela abazizwa befuna ukuphila ngayo, by contributing, by being themselves. So that is when they will get in inspiration umathi nolimi ya ne yawuza. That is where labantu abanale channel ekuthiwa i-channel of inspiration. I-channel of inspiration, you inspire people by living as yourself. You inspire people njengoba ubona nje lento isukaphi. Le channel isuka from the G center, okuyi center of what? Identity, self-love, direction, ngithi yabo kuza la, ngithi yabo siyabonga kakhulu Post Malums for reminding people. Iza la kwini. Oh, nansi enye into engikhohlwe ukunitshela yona, good people. Lama centers wonke afuna ukuza la for manifestation. This is the center of manifestation. This is the throat is the center of manifestation. All these channels are flowing towards the what? The throat center, because throat center is for communication and manifestation. Okay, I think you got that one right. So if kune G center ye identity, direction, self-love izos manifesta la, awuboni ngani ukuthi umuntu onale channel le umuntu okumele ukuthi enze njani? A manifeste who I am, a manifeste uyena ongaxutshwe nalutho, ongashebwe nalutho. That is when people are going to be inspired ukuthi mina, this is the person I am. Ngoba phela uGate 1 lo ohlangana noGate 8 lapha phezulu, uGate 1 ubizwa ngani? Nge-self expression. uGate 8 ubizwa ngani? Nge-contribution, yabo. So kusho ukuthi lo muntu i-contribution abanayo kwi-society ne-contribution abanayo kwi-humanity uba nayo through i-self expression yakhe, ngendlela yena adalwe ngayo, nendlela yena azizwa ngayo. Kusho ukuthi ucontributor kwi-humanity ngokwendlela e-unique. Kusho ukuthi uhlobo lomuntu lolu olu-unique, yabo. Uhlobo lomuntu lolu olu-unique olwenza izinto ezi-unique ezingafani nezabanye. Yilapho khona utholakala inspiration. Khona nje uhlobo lwabantu othola ukuthi uze uyibuze ukuthi lo muntu akakusabi nje ngempela ukuthi agqoke kanje yena yedwa, yabo. Khona uhlobo lwabantu olunjalo uthola ukuthi nje luvele labona ukuthi mina ngedwa nje I feel like wearing this. This is how I feel. Ngifeel ukuthi angigqoki kanje. Nokukhuluma, ngisho nokukhuluma, ukukhuluma kwakhe eveza indlela yena abona ngayo nendlela azizwa ngayo. Akanawo amahloni ngoba akumphoqi ukuthi akhulume njengobani. Ukhuluma ngendlela yena azizwa ngayo, ngendlela yena ezwa iwuye. Ukuthi wena ucabanga kanjani ngaleyo nto akahlangene nalokho, because yena ukhuluma from the point of being him or herself. Then ukuthi wena, how do you take it? It's not his or her, or is not his or her baby to feed. Yena ukhuluma from the point of the G center of who I am, and this is what I say. Izinto azozigqoka, izinto azozenza, izinto azozikhuluma zi-unique and that's what inspires abantu. Lolu hlobo labantu akulona uhlobo labantu kumele luyifihle lolu olunale channel ngoba linqina ukuthi uthini lapha lokungani akulona uhlobo labantu kumele luyifihle ngoba luthi abantu bazothini ngeke luze luyiphile impilo oluyilethelwe la emhlabeni yabo. Uthini wesibo MK ubuhlungu hlalaphi la changes angikuzwa ngempela ngani yakwethu ukuthi ubuza muphi umbuzo yabo. Let me put it there. Akulona uhlo mhlawumbe unayo le channel. I don't know how it feels like. But ngiya-assume nje ukuthi uvela umuntu wakhona ezwe ukuthi yo mina sawubona we eyes molo ngane yakwethu siyakubingelela hayi ufike kahle nje awukho late, you just came ngesikhathi esiright, ongasakubambanga vele usuyokubamba kahle ngali engojeni ku Changes Akasha on YouTube. Ngithi ayizwa leyo ndaba. Ngicabanga ukuthi guys mhlambe ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi is pain accommodated here in the channel. Pain mana ke i-pain is pain accommodated in the channel ubuhlungu. Okay siyabonga eyes. Mfethu angazi ukuthi what pain are you talking about here, but ngicela ukuthi uma ufuna unga-engage nami mhlawumbe mase ngiqedile yabo ungikhumbuze mase ngiqedile mhlawumbe si-engage. Okwamanje ngicela uku-explaina nje ngize ngifike. You don't have to be afraid of abantu bazothini syndrome. You don't have to suffer from abantu bazothini syndrome. If wena this is what aligns with you mawukwenza, this is what aligns with you mawukusho, this if you talk or you do from the sense of being yourself, asikho isidingo sokusaba. In fact, there are people who are going to be inspired by you being yourself. Ngoba khona abantu esithi thina hayi usibanibani hayi inja yegame into engasabi ivele ikhulume nje ayinqeni ukuthi nina nithina ihlangene ayinqeni ivele lolo hlobo labantu ke lona hlobo soludinga ngoba uyacabanga ukube sonke sihlezi sisaba ngoba khona abantu abahlezi besaba nje ukukhuluma ngisho kuma meeting bathule nje noma bakhuluma ngendlela ene-art ukuthi bengagxoba abanye amakhona bahlezi bekhetha amabala. Lena ke ikhuluma from the point of heart, ikhuluma into from the point of being myself. Iya lapha nje into isuka iwuye ngqo yabo. So ke ilapho ke sikwazi khona khumbula ukuthi ilokhu nganaya lawo bani u-empower. That is when ngeke ukwazi uku-empowerisha abantu usabheka ukuthi kube nabantu ongabagxoba amakhona. Ngeke ukwazi uku-empowerisha ngoba ngesikhathi ungabagxoba amakhona laba khona abagxoba amakhona ngokuthi uzama ukuvikela labo ukuthi ungabagxoba amakhona yabo. So ikuphi okungcono, just be yourself yabo. If uzizwa wena ukuthi ukugqoka kanje kuyimi, so just be yourself. Uchannel le ka inspiration yakugunyaza ukuthi be yourself. Uma uzizwa wena ufuna ukugqoka ngendlela ewukuthi engakaze ibonakale engaziwa kodwa wena uzwa sengathi wena uyayithanda, just be yourself. Iyakuvumela ugate bani uchannel lo inspiration. Angithi uyabona abanye bazokubona lokho khona bazokuthanda because we are here to empower. Le channel iyakuvumela ukuthi you have to empower by being different, by being unique. That is where you inspire other people to be themselves and they can copy from you, because that genetic mutation is all about the change. We can't keep on repeating the same things over and over again. We need you to be yourself. Let me move to another one. Channel of awareness. Channel of awareness. Ile channel le lapha phezulu. No. Ile channel le lapha phezulu. But before I go kuleyo channel leyo, angithi kuyenzeka uthola ukuthi mhlambe njoba kukhona la kuthiwa khona ama notifications enginawo la njengamanje. Sokuthi mhlambe kumele ngibonge igift yabo, into enjalo nje. Okay, yeah, injalo nje Sibo MK Lee K on 30 city. Yes, is the highest vibration. Yes, kunjalo nje welokhungana we Lee K. But the catch is yabona mungenayo le channel and wena into eyenzakalayo you try to blend. Yabo njengami nje anginayo le channel whenever however. But umuntu onaleya channel cannot be a chameleon. Angeke azakwazi ukwenza into just to fit into a particular group. Angeke azakwazi ukwenza into just to fit in, noma ukukhuluma into just to fit in. Angeke akwazi ukuzenza omunye umuntu, yabo. But mina anginayo leya channel. I can be a chameleon. I can just wear, ngakwazi mina ukuthi ngibuke ukuthi okay la kugqokwe kanje. Okay, mina ke nami let me try to blend, yabo. Even though mhlambe ngingathandi, but I'm trying to blend. But these kind of people abana le channel, they don't want to blend. They bona bafuna ukushayina uthi yeah, look at me, I'm different, this is who I am, yabo. So it's different, asifani ngaleyo ndlela ke. So mina I cannot force myself ukuthi ngithi I want to shine, ngibukeke ngedwa, this is who I am. It doesn't suit me, it doesn't suit me. Angifuni ukugqama kanjalo ngento e different, kodwa bakhona abafuna ukugqama kanjalo ngoba badaliwe. So i-human design isivumela ukuthi sibe yinoma yini esidalwe ukuthi sibe yiyona. Moving on to lolu lwazi engilikhipha la, let me make a disclaimer, ayilona lukanombani. So umuzwa ukuthi aliresonate nawe lolu hlobo lolwazi engilikhipha la, ekumele ukuthi ubaleke ngoba akusiyona kanombani le. Akuyona into, akusiyona yonke into ekungeka nombani. Khona izinto zakho, khona izinto zokudlala, khona engazona ezokudlala. Yabo njengale akusiyona kanombani. Abantu that are very thirsty for knowledge, that are very serious about life, yabo. So for disclaimer nje, ungaze uyitshela ukuthi uyayislow learner or you are what uzuyijudge ube judgmental. No, this information is not for everyone. So for a disclaimer, khona abantu ukuthi abahlali because they are eager to know. Khona abantu abasho I know, I don't know. Why abanye behlale, why mina ngifuna ukuhamba? No, it's not for everyone. So if you feel like staying, congratulations, good for you. Sidlulele ku 61. Mubheka kahle ke leya channel. I-channel esuka, umthetho wami ngifuna ukuveza ipeni. I-channel esuka la kwi-head iza la ezansi, uyayibo? Isuka la iza nayo leya channel, yayibo? Leya channel is a channel of awareness. These people are constant thinkers. They are always thinking. They are having, angithi yakhumbula la ukuthi this is a what? I-head. It's a what? It's a pressure. Pressure to do what? Pressure to know. This is a pressure to know. Constant pressure, constant questioning. And this is a ajna. This is for what? This is for understanding. This is for understanding and what? Conceptualization and knowing. So this is where the knowing happens with ajna. This is where the inspiration comes from. The pressure to know. So masese kukhona channel of awareness oku 6124. Shuthi lana sithola umuntu who will question the mysteries of the universe, the deep things about the universe, the question the deepest secrets of life, wanting to know them. And into emnandi ke ukuthi uyakwazi ukuyiconceptualize lonto ngogate bani, ngogate 24. Ngoba ugate 61 igama lakhona lithini? Inner truth or mystery. And ugate 24 yini igama lawo? Return or rationalizing. Shuthi this is the kind of a person who can just like that avele azinto yes, this is what's happening. Bese lento seyazi futhi mystery of the universe, inspiration from the universe. Bese phinde conceptualize ukuthi lento isho ukuthini. Ayireason lento lena ngokwe reasoning ukuthi what does this mean? Bese yayazi leyo mystery noma leyo download from the universe, even the dreams. Umuntu lona ozoba neclue ukuthi probably this is what it means. So these people, they just know, they just receive the inspiration from the universe about the mysteries of the universe, about deeper stuffs, and they conceptualize them, trying to understand them, and they understand them. They understand, they know. These people know, because they have the constant questioning. They have the constant questioning, and then they come to kodwa manje. They always question. They always question. They always question, and they always trying to conceptualize, making sense. Yabo. Okunye abuyele kukona back ukuthi le nto kasheshe yayisho ukuthini. Yabo. Le nto kasheshe yayisho ukuthini. I want to know. I really want to know. Yabo. And ikona ke ukuthi inkinga ke knowledge ayiqhamuki ngokuthi ulokhu ucabanga njalo. Knowledge iqhamuka ngokuthi wena you have to surrender trying to know, seeking for answers. When you stop seeking for answers, that is when the knowing comes from, because these are very intuitive. Yabo ngesikhathi bestopisha ukuquestiona and be in the present moment and just forget a little bit about whatever they were asking themselves and trying to make sense of. Vele lento ifike njenge ngazuthi khona into evele ithi ba ukuthi yes I know exactly, this is what it means now, and I'm sure, and these people, they know, then they are sure this is what it means. Yabo. But the thing is, I think, and they are thinking, in fact, the universe is a communicator now. Angithi siyakhumbula ukuthi individual circuit is the circuit of empowering. So they download the things, the mysteries from the universe, the inner truth, yabo, the esoteric truth. Not ngalendlela le abantu izinto abazazi ngayo. Bona they will download the things ukuthi no, lento ayisho lento abantu abayicabangayo. Lento isho lokhu. Yabo? They will know exactly what it means, and they will empower people. This is what it means. So that is why bengabi favorites, because now they come with different insights. Yes, into ukuthi no, iBhayibheli alisho lokhu, iBhayibheli lisho lokhu, no, le phupho lela lisho lokhu, le phupho lisho lokhu. Yabo? They just know the mysteries, the deepest mysteries of the universe. They have the fixed way of conceptualizing it from within themselves, without being told by someone else. They just receive it from the universe. So that is why they say it's an awareness. You are aware now. Okay, I'm aware of what does this thing mean. Angizwa? Before ngidlulele kwi channel elandelayo ekuthiwa channel of structuring, le oyibonayo la ekuthiwa 43, angithi le esuka la le channel la ngithi yebo, le esuka kwi arch na iya kuphi kwi truth. Angithi ngisho nathi wonke ama energies afuna ukuzomanifesta la. So now into esuka la ama mysteries of the universe uzofika wa conceptualize ngo 24 wa rationalize, wa reason ukuthi this is what it means, and then mele ukuthi wenze njani uwa share phela wa communicate through i-throat ukuthi this is usuyawa share ke manje, usuyawa communicate ke manje, because the throat is the manifestation center. All these energies, they are trying to get to the throat. So uzobona ke mase ngiyichaza ke futhi, because ngifuna ukuchecka la ukuthi what are you guys saying, because I can see there are 3 notifications that I am aware of in this present moment. right now. Laphana ke ngiyabona ukuthi siyakhuluma sithini, I'm passionate in doing community projects. Bafethu uma ngabe ukuthi khona izinto ongayi-understand ngawe, yabona nje uma ukhuluma ngendaba ye-community, njengoba njengo-Patience, uma ukhuluma ngendaba zama-community, mhlawumbe i-chat lakho une-channel of community, and i-channel of community is part of what? Tribal secretary. Mhlawumbe kukhona kwi-chat lakho, but i-chat lakho-ke ungalithola online, nje zikhona iy'ndawo, or else wenza i-booking nami qobo, usale sewazi nezinye izinto ngawe. Yabo, i-chat ukulithola-ke online kumahhala nje, kodwa ukuli-interpret ukuthi lisho ukuthini-ke, mhlampe-ke ungaba confused noma kube kanjani. So that is why sometimes kuba khona abantu abakuridela i-chat njengo-Changes Akasha ukuthi unale channel and kusho ukuthi mhlampe wena unayo i-channel bani 3740, i-channel of what community, we'll never know, or there is something, but lokho kungadefinewa yini i-chat we-patient, without bani i-competition, and after I did it I become fulfilled. Singakucheckela nje i-chatini lakho. Ngikhumbuza abantu-ke mhlawumbe uqala ukungibona noma uqala ukuzwa nge-human design. Human design i-system noma i-mechanism ekusizayo ukuthi uphile as yourself, ukwazi ukunavigate in this world as yourself, listening to your authority and strategy. So this is a mechanism, this is a mechanic. In fact, human design is a system, a mechanic ekusiza ukunavigate lo mhlaba ungaqageli, kodwa wenze izinto in line with your energetic blueprints and energetic archetype, because angeke uzukwazi ukuphila happily la emhlabeni uphila wenza izinto ezingayona i-part of your energetic configuration. Ngeke uzukwazi ukuzenza lezo zinto, futhi uzenza nje ngeke uyifile i-sense of purpose and i-sense of fulfillment empilweni yakho. So ke injalo nje, injalo indaba. So ngiyabona uyasho laphana we-Patience ukuthi ke that is where you become fulfilled, and you become fulfilled by doing those things. Inamba yokubhukha ke good people, uma ubhukhela i-human design chart reading with Changes Akasha, uyena 079-845-3962. Ikhona kodwa kwi-bio, ungakhathazeki, ikhona lapha kwi-bio 079-845-3962. Khona uzozibona ama-energies akho. How much did I miss out? uMasha uyabuza ukuthi umise out kangakanani. Angeke size sazwe Masha ukuquantifya. Ukuquantify ku-based ekuthenini kungakanani okusele. Ngicabanga ukuthi 50% esesikhulumile manje kwezinto ebengiyiqukethe osukwini lanamhlanje. Sesikhulume u-50%, but indaba ezimnandi-ke, you can get it on the other side. Changes Akasha on YouTube. Lapho ke Masha u-living uthi is good to be isolated, is good to be isolated. Living uyabuza, there's nothing good or bad, it all depends. There's nothing good or bad. Good people, ukuridela i-chart ku-270, knowing yourself, 270. Mufuna ngiphinde ngikubhalele u-50 rand kuloko, angithi uyezwa, ukuze sikhulume la ngokuthi uyazazi, ngoba ukushaya finder la uyothanda kube inkinga, ngoba uzozibuza ukuthi is this good or bad, and then I'm going to tell you ukuthi this is who you are, this is where you should sit, this is where you are pleasing people, this is where you are not pleasing people. Yabo, ngoba manje mawuthi is it good to be isolated, uzothola ukuthi we are operating from the point of not being yourself. We are having a fear, the fear of meeting people and all those things. Or ukuba isolated phela kumele kukunikeze a sense of freedom and satisfaction, ukube ukuthi ku-good, ngoba uma ukuthi akukunikeza lonto kuyakucindezela, it means it's not good for you. Masha ke sengiyobamba ngale ku-YouTube. Okay Masha, ngiqhubeke ngihlabele imigama. Nansi enye i-secretary connection, naye enye channel kuthiwa i-channel of what? Structuring. Channel of structuring ke good people ilesuka la from the mind. This is the mind, by the way. Izala kwi-truth manifestation 4323 to channel of what? Channel of structuring. What are you structuring la? Yonke le insights esuka from the head goes down to your mind, it needs to be manifested and communicated. So these people are having a very immense talent of impacting knowledge in a very simple manner. Bawenza nje ukuthi uzwe into esengqondweni yabo in a simplified manner. Ngale ukuthi baze becomplicate izinto, bazocommunicate into esengqondweni simply, bayisimplify, baphike izinto that you need to know, that you really need to know. So bane structure uma bekhuluma, even bekuxoxela into, they have a build up, yabo, bane build up. Awugcina ulahleka, uba lost, because they are having the structure of saying things that's in their mind in a simplified manner. Ukuze lo ngale understand ukuthi what are they trying to say. Yabo, they are having that structure. Even benza izinto yabona nje ngithi ngiyayifisa yabona, angithi uyabona ukuthi uGate 23 lo i-channel of what, of individual what, insight, yabo, individual insight. Ngala uGate 23 to channel of what, of assimilation, yabo, channel of assimilation, a channel of insight. Kusho ukuthi the insights that are there in Gate 43, the individual insights that are there, angazomuntu that you downloaded from the universe, those insights, you are able to communicate them in a simplified manner, yabo, without being lost or without losing that person ozama explain. You are able to communicate it clearly, yabo, akuzwe, akgrasp. Khona yabona thina singenayo lokungana le channel le singenayo, uthola ukuthi sinento la engqondweni yethu that is out of this world, kodwa sikwazi ukuyi-communicate ngendlela esimple, asikwazi. And I'm one of those people. Asikwazi ukupika the things that are important in this, that will make this one understand, without mixing everything together to the extent yokuthi lo ngale uyamlahla, and by the time you are trying to explain, you are making things even more worse, yabo. Even the energies ke, umuntu onale yalokhungana uyawazi energy yakhe ayichannel, abe ne structure energy yakhe ayichannel ukuthi angayi waste, ngoba kunale channel esuka la ngangakhuluma ngayo from 34 to 20, yabo, i-channel le esuka from uGate 34, it's a very immense channel, it's a very immense channel. Ayivele phela lempahla, yabona le channel le esuka la iza la, this channel is very powerful, but eyama manifesting generators le channel, but iyona le yenza ama manifesting generators enza izinto eziningi ngesikhathi esisodwa. I-channel yaba ihanesiwe, they are all over the show, so badinga le channel le structure so that they are going to be able to channel their energy, not to do different things at once, bebe ne energy haphazard engachanneliwe. So i-structure sibalekile kakhulu, yabo nje muna le channel nje inkosi isuka ikusizile, muna le channel esuka la ku34 iya lapha kulokungana, isuka la ku34 iya la le channel le, una le channel uphinde ube na le channel, inkosi isuka ikusizile ngoba uzokwazi ukufocus entweni ize ibonakale leyo before udlulele kwenye, hayi uqoqa izinto ezonke ngesikhathi esisodwa ufuna ukuzenza. Nakho lokho akuqedi udlulela kokunye, uthi ungaqedi nalokho usudlulela kokunye, yabo. Noma uxoxela umuntu uthi usamxoxela lento, usuya brancha kulento leyo, usuxoxa ngenye, inkulumo yakhe igcina ihlaphazekile, involve into eziningi ngesikhathi esisodwa, yabo. Asidluleni ke kuleyo channel le, sidlulele kwi-channel elandelayo ekuthiwa Channel of emoting, yo, it seems like uh, it seems like having a plenty of them. Yabo? Hayi but no asiyaphela before ngize ngokuchaza emoting, the channel of emoting. Channel of emoting i-channel esuka kuphi? I-channel esuka la. Yabo la. Suka la iza la. Ayibona? From the roots to the emotions. This is a very emotional channel. It's a channel, it's a design of moodiness. Have be moody abantu abanale channel. They are just ama emotions abahamba kanje. Within a short period of time, you happy, down, you up, down, you up, down. They are moody. One moment uyakuthanda ukukhuluma happy, creative. Another moment down, uzizwe ufuna ukukhala. Yabo nje banama emotions that are waving just like that. Yabo afune ukukhuluma down, next day happy ngathi wonke umuntu angaba happy. They are very creative futhi. This channel is making ukuthi umuntu abe very 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 creative, and also is very sexually ke yabo, is also sexual yabo, because the too much emotions. Ake sichaze nje ngokuthi okay, mhlambe before ngichaza ngalokho, what are you saying la we Masha? Join our team by clicking the hearts next to the band, the host names, and let's band learn and grow. Nanko kumyalezo ngane zakwethu, niyawuzwa ngithi you get umyalezo, uyawuzwa umoya. Yayizwa lonto ngi-screenshot ke la for other channels. Okay, let me explain further. Kulento le yale channel le. Le channel esikhuluma ngayo u3955 nanku la ezansi. Cabanga ukuthi uyambona ne? Onke lapha ezansi 3955 ngithi ambona. Alright. Ibona ke lo yana usuka kwi-root uya kwi-solar plexus. Ama-solar plexus yama emotions, i-root, i-pressure to do. So u-gate 39 ubizwa nge-gate of provocation. Gate 39 is called what? Gate of provocation, ne? Bese kuthi provocation le provoke abantu, provoke. Gate 55 ngala gate of what? Spiritual spirits or abundance. Spiritual abundance, spirits. It's in manje, spirits. So muhlangene u-provocation, the pressure to provoke, uhlangene no spirit, mucabanga kuphumani lapho? Angithi kuphuma i-pressure la iza la yama emotions. Lo muntu le uzoprovoka ispirit kuwena ngaphakathi, uzoprovoka ispirit akwenze ube kwi-spiritual transformation. Angithi yayizwa lonto, akuprovoka akwenze ube kwi-spiritual transformation, akwenze ukuthi ube liberated. Uzizwa nje ene pressure to provoke you or to provoke people ukuthi be embrace the spiritual abundance esikubona ngaphakathi. Yabo, uba naleyo emotional pressure nje. And these people uba very creative. Is very creative this one. Njengoba ekwazi ukuprovoka ispirit nje, is capable ukuthi akwenze ama emotions akhe akwenze ukhali wena, because indlela creative ngayo angacreatela something that is out of this world. Yabo, angacreatela inkondlo ezokudlalela ngamagama azoprovoka ispirit kuwena ngaphakathi, uzothi yayizwa leyo nto. Angakuprovokela ispirit sakho wena uzuyitshela ukuthi lo muntu lento ayikhulumayo noma lento ayenzayo noma lento ayishoyo, uma usuyibuka kahle uyabona ukuthi lento yenza ubreak ama boundaries ozibophe ngawo wena. Uma ngabe ungeze ukumbuka ngeso lokuba protective, ukuziprotect ngokuthi hayi mina isonto lami leli, hayi mina iculture yami le, muzomlalela nje ngoba uprovoka ispirit esikwenza ukuthi ube endless and limitless. So these are the people ke who are having that energy of provoking the spirit within you. Ube kwi spiritual abundance uzalwe kabusha. They are provoking. But just because they are provoking, they are empowering people. Iyona ke lento ezobenza bebe unpopular. Angithi lento iza ne channel of njoba kwi design of moodiness futhi kwenza ube moody. Uhlale wengishilo ngathi wonke lama channels akwenza ukuthi ube unpopular futhi uthanda ukuyihlalela wedwa at some point, yabo? Uthanda ukuyihlalela wedwa ube unpopular, sometimes ube down, ube ne-melancholy, uzwa ngathi uthi usidakile. Izinto ezihamba nawo lama channels, hayi ukuthi content wrong, zihamba nawo lama channels. So ke this one is very provocative, kodwa uprovoka ispirit kumuntu. Ngicabanga ukuthi ke ngoba sibone nje ukuthi ama emotions ala, ipressure isuka la. So umucabanga ngabe upressurizeka kangakanani lo muntu. So mangabe down, kubalekile muna le channel down ukuthi express ukuthi yazi I'm not feeling myself. Ungaziphoqi ukuthi ukhulume ngisho kungafanele. Ungaziphoqi ukuthi uzenze umuntu ohappy ngisho ungafiki. Ngoba lento iyafika ube down, ube moody, iphinde futhi ihambe, uzizwe futhi usu right. So they also love music ke abantu bale gate leli. They love music most of the time. Kune potential ukuthi bathande umusic. Umusic speak to their soul, yabo? Also food. Sometimes angithi they will feel like they are empty. They'll feel like they are empty. Sometimes befune into external ezo fill up that void. Mhlambe njengokudla, njengocansi, yabo isikhathi esiningi. So that emotional emptiness, bacabanga ukuthi they can fill it up. Kanti no, they cannot. They have to sit with it, izidlulele. So leya gate ke noma leya channel iza naleyo package nje yezinto, yabo? But at the same time they are going to be provoked. They may find themselves going through the hard times, that the emotional damage that will make them to awaken to their true spiritual self. They may find themselves going through the hardships, the emotional turmoil. But instead of ukuthi be complain, because the shadow of gate 55 is complaining, instead of ukuthi ba complain and feel ukuthi ba ama victims, it's for them to transform and break the boundaries and transform their spiritual nature. Yabo? I would say ama emotional damages and turmoil are lana for punishment, are here to wake them up. They need to wake. Yabo? Otherwise they uyeza ku 2027 where solar plexus will be fully awareness center. Ingayona imoto kuphela awareness center. Maybe in mutation we're gonna see the mutation of this center in 2027. Okay, I'm moving to another channel. I'm moving to another channel. I think sisahambisana class mangabe ukuthi khona ungangizwa ukuthi ngithini, angitshela ukuthi angizwa ukuthi ngithini, yabo? So injalo ke indawo. So I'm moving. Let us move to the channel of ngizabo, like mode uyabheka kahle la, angithi ubonile le energy ngithe izaphi, isuka la iza la, nale njoba ngihamba kanje isuka from i-pressure la ezansi, pressure to do iza kuma emotions. Angithi it's a provocation, it's an emoting channel of emoting. So the emotions la, the pressure is going to the emotions, and what happens, this njengoba seku channel 1222, channel of openness, iza la izo manifesta ke manje. Should this energy is moving all the way from the root all the way to the manifestation parts. Angithi should manifesta la manifesta ama emotions. You are manifesting what? Emotions. Should i-pressure kade isuka la iza la izoba ama charge, emotional charge, then expression now. Ngithiwa yizo lonto. So ke uchannel 20 uchannel 1222 i-channel lena that makes people to be open and close. So individual channel or individual secretary ngishilo ngathi mina these people are self-absorbed, they don't want to be part of iningi. So into eyenzakalayo ke, this is the channel that makes them to go out and share. This is the channel 1222, the channel of openness. Iyona channel ebavumelayo ke le ukuthi bephume bengaphandle bayo-mutator, bayo-influencer, bayo-effector abantu. So ke uzomthola ukuthi umuntu onale channel le u-open and close, open and close, open and close. Unabantu uyafeel like sharing ama-emotions akhe with people. The next time akasathandi futhi usethanda ukuba yedwa. We are open and close, open and close. So into eyenzakalayo njengoba ku-channel of openness nje ama-emotions lawa ngithi this is the channel of this is openness. La ugate 12 lo ubonayo uzohlangana nogate 22. Ugate 12 is a channel of, it's a gate of caution. Ugate of caution uzohlangana nogate of openness, gate 22. And this is the emotions, this is the manifestation. So umucanga kwenzakalani lapho? Into eyenzakalayo sithola ama-emotions ezo-manifesta la ngesikhathi esi-right. So these people, they know ukuthi they can talk and they can do things, they can manifest things, and they are creative as well. They can do things that provoke ama-emotions kuwena ngaphakathi. Yabo? Izinto abazenzayo, they can provoke emotions kuwena ngaphakathi. Angithi phela sekuyi-manifestation part le of what? Of ama-emotions. So la ungathola umuntu o-talented ekuculeni, ungathola umuntu o-talented ekudanseni, ungathola umuntu o-talented ekubhaleni iy'tori, umuntu o-talented expresseni ama-emotions akhe ngesikhathi esi-right. They know when and how to express their emotions. These people who are having this channel, they know how to express their emotions in a way that they will impact you, and they know when to do that. Ngesikhathi esi-right, they know ukuthi yabo lento mangiyikhuluma kanje ngalesi sikhathi izowenza lo msebenzi engifuna ukuthi iwenze. They just know that exactly. Uzwe umuntu uthi hey, umuzwi lo muntu lento ayikhulumayo uyikhulume ngesikhathi esi-right futhi uyikhuluma ngendlela e-right, ifika exactly ngendlela afuna ifike ngayo. So these people kabanaleya channel, they know how to express their emotions in a way that nawe uzo-impacteka ngakhona, futhi they know when and how to do that. So ke sithola abantu aba-talented ngale ndlela ke la ibona sebengasitshela ukuthi how it feels like kubona uku-express ama-emotions abo, bawa-expressa kanjani, how it feels like, because siyababona phela ukuthi they are having i-channel yokuba open. Yabo labantu laba ba-open njengoba kuthiwa i-channel of openness le, ba-share openly, ba-empower openly into uma beyisho, bayisho openly ukuthi mfethu this is it, and bakhuluma ama-emotions abo. They are expressing their emotions, not that there's something hidden. Okay, moving to another one, the channel of struggle. Ngithi yabona ke sengikuphi manje, where am I? Sengila, yabo, channel of struggle 38. This channel or this channel angithi yabo i-pressure le, pressure to do intuitive awareness, angithi yabo, for survival. So la sithola abantu noma sithola umuntu ofila i-pressure to fight for the purpose. They are always struggling, they find i-value kuma struggles. i-struggle yena empilweni usibuka njengento that is contributing to i-purpose. So i-struggle yena akasithathi njengento ekuwukuthi it's a bad thing, but i-struggle kuyena usithatha as something that is contributing to a greater whole, okuyi-purpose ayizele la emhlabeni. So uthola i-value kwi-struggle, and they already know ukuthi yini ekumele ukuthi ayenze. Uyazi ukuthi une-intuition e-guided ukuthi what is it that I should fight for? Yabo, that is part of my what? My purpose, my role in this world. But ke is a fear of death ke lento. Le channel le, because this gate 28 comes with the fear of death. Angithi ngenxa ukuthi this is an awareness center, your awareness of survival instinct, yabo. So now uthola ukuthi uyasaba ukufa ngesizathu ukuthi ubona ukuthi isikhathi sincane kanti i-purpose akakayifulfill. So uyakusaba ukufa ngaleyo ndlela. Ukusabisa ukufa ukuthi usafuna yena ukugcwalisa i-purpose kanti kubukeka ngathi isikhathi sincane. So now une-fear of death engakayifulfill the great purpose. So iyona nto ke ukuthi ke iza naleyo nto ke leya channel leya ne-fear of death, more especially ngenxa ka-gate bani ka-gate 28. So ke basically masikhuluma ngaleya channel of struggle, i-struggle kulabantu si-contributor empilweni yabo ku-greater whole. I-struggle akuyona into ayinqenayo. I-struggle kuyena usithatha njengento eyi-part of what? Of the plan, yabo. Sine-meaning kuyena i-struggle empilweni. Yeah. So ke ngidlulele kwenye i-channel okuyi-channel of what? Of brainwave. Yiphi ke lo channel na engikhuluma ngayo? Ile channel esuka kuphi? Move phela shifter clef. Ile channel esuka la iza la. Ngiyabona? From the awareness center spleen, awareness for survival. In fact le center siphila ngayo le inama survival instinct. Iyona lene intuition. Izapi siza la kwi manifestation. Kusho ukuthi lana ke we are manifesting your intuition, we are manifesting your survival instinct. So these people kunento baba ne clairvoyance nabo, they just kuba ngazi kunento that is whispering endlebeni zabo ukuthi do this now. They just know, but they don't know nabo ukuthi bazi kanjani, and they find themselves because now this thing is manifesting with throat, yabo. This is the center for manifestation. Uthola ukuthi ama intuitions akhe uyithola esesho into engazi ukuthi lento ayishoyo, uyithola esesho into abanye bese bembuza ukuthi wazi kanjani, kanti into nje ezwe naye i-intuition yayo ukuthi lento inje. They are very 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 intuitive because gate 57 is the gate of intuitive clarity and gate 20 is the gate of the now. So manje into oyitholayo la uthola umuntu ozo expressa i-intuition in the now. Njengoba umuntu ukukhuluma naye ekulalela kuba khona into nje esho just right now ukuthi lento ekhulunywayo lo ayikho, and uzokutshela ukuthi ayikho leyo nto, yabo. Noma sekumele ukuthi enze into uba ne-intuition ukuthi because this is not a mortal center. In most cases it's not more about doing, it's about knowing exactly ukuthi what is what do I have to do. Kodwa futhi lento is a fear of the future. That is the problem. With this gate 57 comes with the, because this is an awareness center, it comes with the fear of the future. So uba nalo anxiety nje ukuthi kwi future kazi kuzokwenzekalani, am I going to survive, izinto mazenzeka kanje, kuba ne fear nje of the future, yabo. So ke it is very important ke for these people abanale channel ukuthi bazi ukuthi intuition yabo iyohlezi ba guide. There's no need ukuthi usabe ukuthi what is going to happen in the near future, yabo, because you are always going to be guided. So manifest ama intuitions akho la at any given point in time. So Phelela lapho-ke i-study sanamhlanje i-study sanamhlanje what you call channels. I-study sethu channels siphelela khona la. So uma uhlale nje kwazi kwayilesi sikhathi kushuthi nje impela we are thirsty for knowledge. Angithi ayizwa leyo ndaba leyo kushuthi ulambele ulwazi, uyalidinga ulwazi. So ke ungangaba ke nawo wonke lama channels, but uthola ukuthi unayo eyodwa yawo ke iyona lezo kwenza ukuthi uzithole kwesinye isikhathi umuntu obuya afuna ukuhlala yedwa, yabo, noma uyithole umuntu ofuna uku-empowerisha, uthole ube umuntu one knowledge yoku-empowerisha abantu with individual insights and unique insights, trying to come up with new things, and lokho kwenza ukuthi ube unpopular ke kwabanye abathile abangayithandi i-change, yabo. So iyona nto ekhona ke leyo ngokwe-connection, ngoba guys i-consciousness, i-prana, i-chi, i-life force le kwenza ukuthi uphile nayo iflowa njengawo ugesi. Njengoba usukubona ugesi uflowa kwi-radio ngaphakathi, njengoba usukubona ugesi uflowa ngaphakathi kwi-cellphone uhamba la uzungeza, nakuwena-ke i-consciousness iflowa kanjalo bese uyi-expressa ngalezi indlela kade ngiyibala ezihlukahlukene. So le kade ngikhuluma ngayo namhlanje eyani, individual is for mutation. So njengoba ubona namhlanje siphila lempilo esiyiphilayo, it's because of these people abanale lama channel configuration ekuthiwa yini, ama individual circuitry connection, ngoba beza nezinto ezintsha bese beshintsha i-genetic, not even genetic, i-DNA yethu, DNA sequence yethu, bese si-adapter to leyo yinto leyo. Angithi i-environment iya-impact ilokhungana yakho, ama-genes akho ne-DNA yakho, angithi. So ucela ungidlulela njani 1648 i-date onayo, i-channel onayo le. This channel is called what's called the channel of talent. Precious, this is channel of talent. Le channel yabantu abathanda ukuthi go deep ey'ntweni, bathanda ukuthi go deep, bayakuthanda ukufunda. Ngiseza kodwa phela this is the part of this channel okhuluma ngayo, is part of the collective circuitry connection, the sharing. So laba bayakuthanda ukwenza njani, ukufunda. The well, they like to study things, they like to study, they like to have knowledge, but inkinga yakhona ukuthi kuba nani ne-fear of inadequacy. Njalo ubona ngazuthi akazi enough, ngazuthi they still need to know more and more and more and more and more. Ngisho kuthiwa unalo i-talent noma useyayazi into, but kuzoba khona leyo fear ukuthi angathi angazi enough, yabo. So basically that channel of talent le ba versatile futhi abantu bale channel le ka 1648, they are very versatile. Bakwazi ukwenza izinto eziningi, zikhulume, behlanganisa izinto eziningi bese ziyakhuluma, ba enthusiastic. In fact umuntu ukhuluma abe bold ngoba nakho uyazi ukuthi into uyayazi. Umuzwa ukuthi ubold, uyastempa, uneshow yalento ayikhulumayo ngoba nakho uyayazi, yabo. So i-voice yabo nje iba nalo authority because they are talking about something that they know. They went deep. These people, they go deeper in things, yabona. Angafike afunde into ayazi, aphinde azizwe sengazuthi akayazi kahle before I share, aphinde futhi ayoyifunda futhi aphinde futhi abone sengazi ukuthi hhayi ayazi kahle ukuthi angayishare, aphinde ayoyifunda futhi, yabo. Always attenuating, always fixing, always fixing, always perfecting, yabo. Always perfecting this one. Funa ukuba ama-perfectionist. Iyona not self-ke yakhona lokuthi we are trying to be a perfectionist, yabo. For Gates, for channel 1648, the channel of talent, we are trying to be a perfectionist. So ke le channel ke lama channels asuke ezozimanifesta ngendlela eyingafani kwabantu. Khona umuntu ongakuthanda ukufunda, uthola ukuthi unawo u1648 kodwa akakuthanda ukufunda. Kodwa into ayithandayo yena uthanda ukupractice. Hayi ukuthi ukuthanda ukufunda, uthanda ukupractice into ayaziyo. Mhlawumbe kunethalento lokuthunga, kodwa nje uzomthola ukuthi uyakuthanda nje ukuloko ezithungela, azi izinto eziningi ngokuthunga, ngoba ekugcineni yena vele kumele ukuthi agcine yini, abe the well, abe ne-knowledge kuleyo yinto leyo athi go deeper kuyona. This is the channel of going deeper to things to the extent that you know them very well before you share them with the collective. That's it. Yeah, nginayo ke nami leya channel by the way. That is why ubona nje ngikhuluma from the point of what, of ukuba enthusiastic, ngoba lento engisuke ngikhuluma ngayo ngisuke sengigxilile kuyona, yabo. So sengigxilile kuyona. Yeah, so nginayo leya channel leya, the well knowledge. Yeah, njengoba ubona ke lapha ya good people, njengoba nibona ke lapha ya kanza kwethu ukuthi sesifike emaphethelweni, njengoba ke individual circuit knowing lo kade ngikhuluma ngawo, kukhona nobani no centering. U-centering hayi khona ukuthi ngingaze ngibuyele u-centering next time, okay, no, ayipheleli la indaba, kusekhona integration ku-individual. There's a channel called integration. Leyo ke abantu laba ba self-absorbed nabo labo, they are busy too much, but sisazokhuluma ngalokho next time. They are very very busy, but they are also self-absorbed too much. Yabo nje igama ethi I'm busy, item lakhe lelo, I'm busy, channel of being busy, yabo. So is part of the channel of self-survival. So khuluma ngalokho next time. Sisayona individual channel. Bese lokho sibuye sibuka ini what you call sharing. Sibuye i-sharing ke is part of ini collective. Sibuye sobuka i-tribal okuyi-support. So i-humanity ke ibalansile nje kanjalo. Ibalance uNkulunkulu i-energy ehlakaniphe kakhulu, ehlakaniphe ngale ndlela ukuthi ikona ukuhlakanipha qobo. Yes, ihlakaniphe kakhulu ngoba buka nje le connection le energy ibalansile ngoba yenzela ukuthi singami ndawonye siyi-humanity. Angithi khona abantu abazozizalela la, kunabantu abazozizalela la, kunabantu abazosikhulisela iy'ngane la, kunabantu abazokwakha ibhizinisi la, bazosondla, kunabantu abazosimanejela ama-resources la, bebephezulu on top, basiprovide siyi-tribe, yabo. La i-channel ne-channel uyayimanifesta. Buka nje mina njengamanje, I'm sharing with you this thing ngenxa ka-gate bani, ngenxa ka-channel bani, ka-channel 1648 okuyi-channel of the what, of the talent. Ngiyashare nje manje, yabo. And ngine-channel enye futhi, konje iphi i-channel enginayo ephathelene nalento ade ngikhuluma ngayo namhlanje, yaba individual. Yilokho engizokhuluma ngakho next week. But nginayo i-channel of 2145 esho ukuthi ngikwi-tribe. Hayi, let me not overload you with the information. Angazi kungangitshela ke wena ukuthi unayiphi i-channel kula ma-channel ade sikhuluma ngawo namhlanje, and isiveza kanjani kuwena uma ukuthi i-chart lakho usuyalazi. unga requesta, ungabhala la ngezansi ukuthi wena unayiphi channel siphela lento angithi siyayixoxa khona kumnandi ukubuka abantu in different angles. Unayiphi i-channel wena kulawa kade sikhuluma ngawe individual futhi iziveza kanjani kuwena? You can request, ngikuthathe ngikufake emoyeni, uzobe ngiqala ukurequesta ngikule setting, or you can just write it here, the channel that you have and how does this channel manifest itself in your life, from the bottom, 60 and 3, coming with new things, always changing the old ones. Simove siya ku 14.2. Ngilinde nina nje athi nibhale njengoba ngikhuluma. Siya ku 14.2, using your power to contribute to humanity by doing things that you are compassionate about, and that is where you feel the sense of direction, yabo, all the way to ayiwesh. Ube kuthiwa nje wesha ngiyena umuntu othanda ukukhuluma, ubungeke usangifica la. Ube kuthiwa ngiyona nje iradio, bungabe usangificanga because sesiqedile okwanamhlanje. But ke weshi ke you will find it you will find it ku YouTube, Changes Akasha lo live, Changes Akasha on YouTube. The gates are not showing on the screen, no. Sesikhulumile saqeda nje weyilo kungani wena oxolo ufuna ukuthi lento engiyicelile ngiyicele while ama gates noma ama channels khona la ku screen. Okay, well ke nanka ama channels akhona la ku screen, angithi wabona nanka ama channels akhona la ku screen. So mawukuthi i-chat lakho usuyalazi, ungangitshela ukuthi yipi i-channel wena onayo la futhi empilweni yakho izmanifesta kanjani. Ngoba ngabe mhlawumbe uno channel 18 uyi-channel of inspiration. You like to manifest yourself. Wena you are inspiring others through being yourself, contributing with your individual, you're expressing your individual inspirations by expressing yourself uniquely. So that is where people get inspired. Channel 18 yiphi channel onayo isiveza kanjani? Uthi laphana uNhlanhla Mbele, mina ngisazokucela ungiridele elami kodwa lokhu kwanamuhla ngathi bewusho mina impela. Ngiyakuzwa we Mtaka Mbele, ngiyakuzwa. Mhlambe unayo enye yalama channels namhlanje ekade sikhuluma ngawo, awulazi chat lakho, mhlambe unawo. Uweshe ukuthi ke inkosi ke enkosi kakhulu ke bhuti, I'm proud of your teachings, keep up the good work. Siyabonga kakhulu Wesh, amazwi ke lawo asuka ku Wesh eze umina qubu lwami laphana. Unoxolo Nhlabathi uthi ke bengithi uveze unjani okungisizo ngephutha. Bengithi uveze okungesizo ngephutha, ngiveze okungesikho ngephutha. Ikona kuphi ngane yakwethu? Mina bengifuna ukuthi mawukuthi seniyalazi la nonke njengoba nila kusho ukuthi anwazi ama-chats enu, sengikutholile lokho ukuthi anwazi ama-chats enu. Anginawazi ama-chats enu, angilazi nelami. Ngiyeza, but I think I have one of these channels. By the way ke i-chat nje uyakwazi ukulithola online. By the way uyakwazi ukulithola nje online. indaba isiyosala kuyona i-interpretation of the chart, but ukulithola online akuyona inkinga leyo. Nencu ungaya nje nalapha kuthiwa khona kuthiwa sikuphi konje humandesign.com, yeah, uzolithola futhi i-chart lapho. Faka information yakho nje, faka i-time estimation, faka i-date, faka indawo, sidume ubone nginalama channels man, yabo. I am bani trendsetter. I am a trendsetter, ngifuna nje buke mina mangjani, kodwa ngiyakuzwa ke noma ngiyakuzwa mina wena eyes, we are a trendsetter. Yabona ke people abangama trendsetter, yeah, more often than not unayo i-channel of unayo i-individual circuit, unayo i-channel eqhamuka kwi-individual circuit. I reckon umuntu othanda uba i-trendsetter, yabona kufana nabantu abanale channel le engizongena kuyona next week. Yabo abantu abanale channel esuka la iza la from ku 55 and not 55, I mean le channel esuka u51 no 25, yabo leyo channel le, abantu abanale channel le si channel of ban initiation, bathanda ukuthi izinto ziqale ngabo, bathanda ukuba number 1, they are competitive, they like to start things, they put themselves into a shock. Ungababiza ngenhlamvu ngebullet nje makuthiwa uyababiza, because they like to be number 1, yabo. They like to put themselves into things, bathanda ukuthi izinto ezintsha ziqale ngabo, yabo, they are competitive benjalo. So ke wena mhlambe munale uyathanda ukuthi uvela ube yi-trendsetter, uthola ukuthi nje shintsha izinto, but it doesn't necessarily mean ukuthi ke if you are a trendsetter mhlawumbe uno 60 and 3 yini channel of mutation, but ungaba nenoma yipi i-channel kulawo bese siyabona okay, yabo. But kukhulumeka kahle ke i-chart mali la phambi kwami ukuthi this is it, nansi into, yabo. Ngoba phela kunalento ekuthiwa futhi i-profile. I-profile ke akuyona i-channel leyo. I-profile yini? Into engayifanisa nani ne-personality. I-profile ukuthi personality yakho wena inje shuthi nalama channels uzowamanifesta kanje nawo, ngoba ngokwe-profile yakho ukuthi uyibani, uyi-13 noma uyi-25 noma uyini. Yini ke leyo ke i-profile, okuyini lokhu ngayo i-personality nje, ngingasho nje ukuthi nje basically personality. So it's a combination of things kahle hle. Umuntu is a combination of different things, guys, yabo. Umuntu is a very complex something, and human design is very vast and big. Is a very huge, is having an immense amount of information. So kubalulekile ukuthi nathi ke masikurede chart sipike lokhuyana nalokhuyana phela esibonayo ukuthi nawe ungakwazi ukuthi ukudigest, ngoba muzophika yonke into kuningi kakhulu, it's too much to handle, yabo. Lunchbox futhi which cause Obe has to do to know this info, which cause Lunchbox T ayikho i-cause engeke ngayenza to know all this. Mina njengoba ngiyi-25 nje, online 2 bayathanda vele ukuhlala bodwa, futhi ngine channel of integration, phinde kuyangivuma lokuthi ngihlezi ngingedwa, ngi-enjoy kakhulu ispace sami, yabo. So by that time I'm busy learning, I'm busy reading, I'm busy studying. Njengoba nginana le channel ekuthiwa 16 48 16 nje, kuyangivumela ukuthi ngifunde. So lento ngizazela ngokuzifundela nje yona mina myself, yabo. Ayikho i-cause engayithatha ukuthi ngiyayithatha, i-situation iyangivumela, yabo. I-situation iyona yabona ke i-energetic configuration yami engivumela ukuthi ngizazi izinto engifuna ukuzazi, yabo? Ngobani? One, ngidalekile vele ngokweprofile yami ukuthi ngiyi-2-5. I-2-5 uline 2 nje ukwenza ukuthi ube umuntu othanda ukuhlala yedwa kwispace sakhe, ube umuntu othanda kuba kwispace sakhe, yabo? 2, ngine-channel ewu-3420 okuyi-channel of business, channel of being busy, channel of charisma. Leyo channel ingenza ukuthi ngihlezi vele futhi ngiyi-self-absorbed, doing my own things, yabo? Iyangivumela futhi. 3, ngine-channel of things, going deeper and deeper. So uyabona ukuthi kuyangivumela. Ngiphinde ngizoba ne-channel of 4521 okuyi-channel of money line, channel of being a teacher, yabo? So njengoba sengi-articulate lento, ngi-articulate from the point of channel 2145, channel of being a what? A social leader and a teacher. So that is why, so nje njengoba ngenza nje la, this is how I live. The human design is live this way. So I understand why I do this. Ngiyenzelani yonke lento engiyenzayo. So I understand myself very well ukuthi yini lento engiyenzayo, ngiyenzelani. Every time I'm doing something, I understand. Even the gates, ngiyazi ukuthi no gates bani, no gates bani, no gates bani. So ngiyazi ukuthi mase sengiyithola sengenza nje, so sekuyi-manifestation ka-gates bani. Ngithi yabo, ngoba ngiyazi ngino gates 49. Gate 49 ngiyazithulela nje, ngizithulela lokhu wenza into wena, ekugcineni bese ngiyabust, emotional bust, yabo? Nje lokho kwama-gate ke mangikridela i-chart angikusho ngoba ama-gates ahanging maningi kakhulu and adinga ukuthi ube precise in terms of isikhathi owazalwa ngaso. Laphana uyi-trendsetter uma ugqokile we lokungani we-ice, akulula ke lonto singayi-check-a nje siyibone i-charting ukuthi isukaphi, yini ekwenza ukuthi ube njalo, yabo? uPrecious uthi 35-36 bese kuba 180. Hawu ngeke Precious, Nasha ngeke ngizogcina sengenza i-human design reading phela manje. Angithi yabo, ngizogcina sengenza i-human design reading, ngiconfuse nalabo abebezofunda nje ngalokhu okukodwa bengizokusho, nami ngizogcina sengiba tempted, yabo? Ngigcine sengikhipha zonke izinto njengamanje. 35-36 sisazokhuluma ngawo kwini ngoba is part of what, collective circuit, is part of collective circuit. The purpose ifulfilled through what? Sharing. But nje kumele ukwazi ngo-35, 36-35 they keep on changing, yabo? Changing things, bagcogcoma, they are changing, they keep on changing nje from one experience to the next. Yiloko kumele ukwazi ngaloko. I don't know, kusho uSibo MK uthi I don't know my charts and I've got a bit of channels, kodwa I wanted to know why I struggle with bani. I struggle with pi or I ustrugglisha ngani? Angazi, ngiyakuzwa kona ukuthi into engizwayo la ukuthi awulazi chart lakho, ukuqala lokho. Kodwa manje uthi futhi you have a bit of channels. Wazi kanjani ukuthi you have a bit of channels i-chart lakho ungalazi? Yet futhi uthini? Uthi kodwa ke you wanted to know why I struggle with nalela gama ke engalazi. So yabo, ilokungana yakho, phrase yakho iqukethe into eziningi ezishayisanayo. Ngithi uthi i-chart awulazi, so uthi kodwa unama channels. Angicela ungiclarifyele, sengiphuma nje, ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba ku9 kumele ngiphume 2 hours full now. Leyo week ukufa, yokusaba ukufa, that is gate 28. Nanke lapha ya Kuya laphaya. Yeah, down there. Yokusaba ukufa ila. Iza ne-fear of death, gate 28. Fear of death. Bese-ke siyadlula laphana sengiphuma nje. U-Eyes uthi I have a bunny, I have it, but I haven't given myself it. Yeah. Ngeza kuwe soonest. Hhayi-ke anytime tea time, yabo? Indaba ivulelekile. Mhlambe futhi ele ngibeke la ukuze people bezokwazi ukuthi be-enjoy leya number. Ipain usibo, usabuyela kule yepain wesibo. Usakhuluma ngale yepain ukuthi I know why I struggle with pain. Ngiyakuzwa kade ukhuluma ngale ndaba yepain. You struggle with pain. Pain in terms of what? Yabo? I don't understand ukuthi pain in terms of what? Mhlambe le bengadinga ngisho i-example. Mhlambe kodwa sengiyaphuma. Le number ke guys yama bookings akuyona yokuxoxa nge-human design, eyama bookings nje specifically. Yabo? Akuyona yokuxoxa nge-human design. Uma ufuna ukuxoxa nge-human design, uyabhala kwi-comment ku-YouTube, Changes Akasha. Uyabhala kuma-highlights ka-TikTok lawo engiwenzayo aphathelene ne-human design. Ngiyaphendula nje, anginayo inkinga. So le number yama bookings kuphela ngoba I don't want to find myself being busy. Yabo kakhulu. Angifuni ukuba busy ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Kumele ngiphinde ngiyimanage izinto, yabo? Mhlambe wesibo MK into ongayenza nje ungangibhalela kahle ukuthi what do you mean, ungi-inbox nje ukuthi uqonda ukuthini kahle ngoba mhlambe sekuyi-one on one le ukuthi usho ukuthini. Uma ukhuluma nge-pain ukuthi why you are struggling with pain, ungibeke esithombeni ngi-understand. Unjinji kamkhulu, sanibona bhuti, are going to redo this session, just joined. Izolo just disconnected. Namhlanje ke mntaka Magwaza, u-live wethu awufani no-live wayizolo. U-live wango-Saturday usuke ungafani no-live wa-Sunday. Angithi yabo? Ngo-Saturday kusuke kuyi-spiritual Saturday igama lakhona. In a sense that we are talking about anything spirituality, yabo? La mase ku-Sunday siseklasini, we are talking about, was studying human design system. Okuwukuthi ke i-study ke kahle kuyafundwa ke la. Lo live mawufuna nje ukuthi uqalephi, uzoya ku-YouTube, Changes Akasha on YouTube. Search Changes Akasha on YouTube, uzongibona. Bese ke uya kwi-playlist. Kuzomela ukuthi wazi no YouTube uya kwi-playlist. Kune playlist ebhala ukuthi ni Introduction to Human Design, okay? Yilapho kuzofica khona izinto ezifana nokufunda okunje okuphathelene nani ne-human design. Kodwa uma uyifunela lobo live bango Saturday, uzoya kwi-playlist ebhala ukuthini live streaming. Ngithi yabo, live bango Saturday ke labo. Ihlukene kanjalo ke into yami. Ihleleke kanjalo in terms of ini live laba engibenzayo. Ngithi ayizwe indaba ilapho. So ke nina ke baka YouTube, uma ngabe sengilivalile i-class, sengikhuluma nalezi zika YouTube ke eniubuka ku YouTube. Mase selivaliwe i-class, sengikhuluma nabantu baka TikTok kanje ngoba kusuke kuyi-live engagement. Usuke usunalo ilungelo lokunqamula ngoba suke seyiphelile i-lesson. Kodwa futhi musa ufuna ukulalela ukuthi siqhubeke saxoxa sathini ngani, sokusangahlala nje for the next 30 minutes or so ngoba kusuke si-engage live. UPrecious ke Nasha uthini lapha ya? Cabanga ukuthi uphendulekile wenjinji. Uthi indaba uzoyithola ku YouTube. Cabanga ukuthi uphendulekile mfowethu. Nawo lo live ka YouTube wayizolo engukhathile. Ngibuye ngabuya ngazovalisa kahle. Ukhona lapha ku YouTube. Thanks, Shame. A human design is interesting. Thank you for thank you for introducing such info. Siyafunda. Ngiyabonga kakhulu we-Precious. Ngalawo mazwi ingane yakwethu. Uyabonga ke noNjinji uthi uNjinji kamkhulu ngiyabonga bhuti. Hayi bafethu ukuthi anginalo ulwazi nina ukuthi mina angilutho ngaphandle kwenu. Angilutho ngaphandle kwenu. Angazi ngivele ngihluleke ukuchaza makumele ngichaze indlela enginithanda ngayo nendlela enginivaluisha ngayo. Angivele ngihluleke nje. Vele kuzwiwe yimina ukuthi ngiyakuzwa but angikwazi ukukuchazela ukuthi ngikuchazele ukuthi ubaluleke kangakanani, ngikuthanda kangakanani. I don't know what can I say. Yabo? Uma ukuthi wakwaba semathandweni wathandana nomuntu kodwa manje indlela omthanda ngayo mase kumele umchazele uyahluleka ukuthi umchazele. Vele ukuthi vele usuke umhlabe ngehagi nje bese umqabula esihlathini. Awukwazi ukuchaza ukuthi yazi ngikuthanda kanje kanje. So nginithanda ngempela ngoba angilutho. Impilo yami nepurpose yami ayilutho ngaphandle kwenu. Ngiloko ngikushilo ipurpose yami ayilutho ngaphandle kwenu. Angikwazi ukuzifezela ipurpose mina. Ipurpose yami ifezeka uma kukhona nina. Yabo? So anokwazi ukuthi ni valuable. That is why I make it a point ukuthi nginithatha serious. Kumele mangizoba late kumele ngichaze ukuthi okay ngizoba late kakhulu namhlanje. Mangizokungena ngichaze ngeke ngene. Nesithembiso engisenzile ngizame ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ngisigcine. Indlela engikuvaluisha ngayo leyo wena muntu. Yabona? Yabo abanye benu sengize ngiyabazi impela indlela engikuvaluisha ngayo okwazi ukuthi mina ngiyakuvaluisha ngale ndlela. Ngiyabonga kakhulu wesibu MK for the gift. I value you. Makuwukuthi empilweni yakho uzibona uthatheka kancane noma uzibona ungabalekile okwazi ke kodwa ukuthi ku changes ubalulekile ku changes okwazi lokho ukuthi ku changes ubalulekile ngale ndlela. More especially mina nawe sidingida le ndaba le yempilo ubaluleke kakhulu kumina. Yabo? Hayi ke iyavala ke lapho. Usimangaliso and sanibonani sawubona wesimangaliso. Ungene sesiphuma ke mfowethu sengiphuma ngempela. Ukuba ngiyena umuntu othanda ukukhuluma ngaba ngisekho. Lo live ke uyowuthola ku YouTube. Changes Akasha on YouTube. Okay? Yanaki ke imem kweleli enilibonayo. Ngizala sengizophuma ke njengoba sengila. Sengizophuma ke njengoba sengila. Sengizophuma ke njengoba sengila. Hayi ke injalo indaba.